Hi, it's Addie Kelzer with Urban Fitness Twin Cities, and today we want to show you a great tricep exercise, so an exercise for the back of your arm that is known as lying down tricep extension, or you also might have heard it referred to as skull crushers. So today Keita is going to show us exactly how to do it, and we're going to do two different variations, one with the single arm, which is a great place to start, and then one with the double arm. So if you want to try these with us, go ahead and lie down on your back, and you're going to need kind of a moderate weight, so anything between 5 and maybe even up to 12 pounds or so would be a good start. Today we're starting with 3 pounds. So go ahead and lie on your back, Keita, and we'll get this one started. So she's going to take one dumbbell in her hand, and she's going to start with it all the way arm extended over her shoulder. And one good piece to remember on some of these tricep extensions is that she's going to work really hard to keep this upper arm in place so that the only joint that is moving is going to be the elbow. Her shoulder isn't going to be doing a bunch of moving around as she does it. So why starting with a single arm is a good idea is because she's got her second hand here on her elbow to make sure that that upper arm stays in place. So with her elbow pointed up toward the ceiling, she's going to begin to bend the elbow and bring the dumbbell close to her ear. So it's going to just pass her face and come close to her ear. She can bend that elbow as much as it feels comfortable, and then she's going to push it back up toward the ceiling, being careful to keep that upper arm stationary. So always be careful that you are just watching the dumbbell on the way down and you don't accidentally bonk yourself in the forehead, especially if you're using heavy weight, hence the name skull crusher. If you were using a barbell, that bar would actually come very near your forehead. So she's probably going to do about 12 on each side if this were a regular workout of hers, and then she'll do 12 on the other side. But let's go ahead and grab that second dumbbell and we'll kind of see what it looks like. I would only move on to the double arm version if you feel confident that the upper arm is staying in place as you bend the elbows close to your ears. So now, the dumbbells will go close to your ears. So now she's bending her elbow so that both dumbbells are just going to pass her head, elbows pointed up toward the ceiling, and then she'll extend fully with both elbows so that the arm is straight. So this is an awesome way to exercise your triceps, especially if you feel like lying down that day. And if you're using lighter weights, you can do up to 20 reps. Otherwise, feel free to go up in weight if you notice that those amount of reps is starting to get easy. All right, well, let us know if that tricep extension was helpful for you in tightening up the back of the arm. We'd love to hear how it helped.